Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an eggless, no gelatin mango mousse cake recipe. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box down below. Here I have some finely crushed golden Oreos. You can use any vanilla cream biscuit of your choice. To this, add in around 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give this a mix. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now add in 3/4 cups of milk gradually and mix well. Now transfer the prepared batter into a greased and lined spring-form cake tin. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven or until a toothpick or skewer comes out clean. To prepare the mango mousse and the glaze, I'm going to transfer the puree of 2 to 3 mangoes in a pan and cook this until it changes color slightly. Cooking the mango puree will enhance the mango flavor. To this, I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add the sugar depending on how sweet your mangoes are. Now take out the mango puree and let this cool down completely. Leave some of the mango puree for the glaze. To this, add in around 1 teaspoon of sugar and gradually add 1/3 cups of water. Now strain this to ensure a smooth glaze and let this cool down completely. Once the mango puree and the cake is completely cooled, start whipping the cream until you get stiff peaks. Prepare an ice bath to whip the cream. I've refrigerated the cream for around 4 hours and added the powdered sugar before refrigerating the cream. You can skip this step if your cream already has sugar added. Once the cream is whipped to stiff peaks, fold in the mango puree until everything is combined. Once done, put the mango mousse on top of the cake and spread this out evenly and refrigerate it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Now after 2-3 hours, add the mango glaze and spread it out evenly. Now refrigerate the cake again until completely set. After the cake is ready, demold it, cut a slice and enjoy.